What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Matic, guys. Polygon just started pumping up 13%, sitting at $1.96. We're sitting at a market cap of 14.45 billion, 24-hour volume 1.19 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. Wow, guys, if you get they added some stuff here, the rose gold and icy white exclusive merchandise welcome pack. Wow, private jet. Private jet for the ballers who have the obsidian card. Maybe that'll be me one day. Goals. All right, guys, enough goofing around. Let's hop into Matic. So we've absolutely exploded. Huge pump here. We broke out of this. Sorry, guys. Get it together. We broke out of this double bottom on the daily. It's like a quadruple bottom on the 4-hour chart. And the technical target has already been hit at 191. We've come all the way back up to our break even. So it's looking really good, guys. But we do have to watch our indicators. We're quite overbought. And that is usually when you see some pullback. Here we saw some pullback. Here we saw some pullback as well. So we are quite overbought, guys, as well as the money flow. We're pumping up. Money is flowing out. Early indicator of either a move back down or some consolidation, guys. So just keep an eye on that. If you look on the daily, you can see a beautiful double bottom. We met the target. We're just starting to push back above the 55 EMA. So let's pop over to our next chart here. So if we can get back above the EMAs, guys, extremely bullish. We're just having the bullish cross on the daily, early indicator of a pump, but we have shot up rather quickly, guys. The money flow is pushing back up to the top section. And as you can see, when it pushes back up to the top section, usually you're going to see a retracement back down. So do keep an eye on that, guys. Either we're going to see some consolidation or we can come down and we can create an even larger double bottom pattern and then break out back to the upside. However, guys, if we get back above the EMAs and we can consolidate, we can hold them as support. I did talk about us coming back up to this level of resistance from our ascending channel at 255. We break that. That's extremely bullish as well, guys. So we just had a bit of a fake out to the downside. Liquidate the short positions, and you saw those reversal wicks, guys. I said when you have wicks down like that and the bulls push the price up, and you can see all that volume, guys, it's an indication of reversal in the trend. We put in a beautiful double bottom and we started to break out. So we get back above the EMAs. We can see a full reversal. We have the bullish cross just as we did here. Beautiful pump back to the upside. I'll show you the last time we had the bullish cross. We have to go all the way back to the beginning of our bull run. Huge, massive pump, guys. Thousands of percent here from the bottom to the top. You're looking at a 15,000% gain for Matic. That's the power of crypto, guys. Absolutely incredible. We have our Elliott wave theory, impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, and our bull run target with our Fibonacci pulled from our May swing high down to the swing low, which is giving you a bull run target of about $6 for our friend Matic. However, if we can get back above the golden ratio here, which is coming in at $2.13 from our Fibonacci pulled from the previous swing high down to the swing low, then you are in a technical target to the 1.618, which is coming in at $4.66. But we do have to get back above the golden ratio. But if we look at Bitcoin quickly, guys, we can see here on the 4-hour chart, we're starting to pump. We're above 43K. Do watch for some pullback. If we do see some consolidation, we are quite overbought. It could create a beautiful head and shoulders. Technical target 56.6K, guys. We pop over to our next chart. We've broken out of our descending broadening wedge. We're starting to push above the 55 EMA. Massive sign of strength, guys. We came down to the 1.272. and we're starting to see a nice breakout. So what you can do is take your Fibonacci from this swing high down to your swing low, and you can currently see we're coming up and we're hitting resistance on the golden ratio. If we get back above it, guys, then you're in a technical target to the 1.618, which is coming in at 69K for BTC. Huge sign of strength. If we break 44K, guys, we get back above the EMAs, we see the bullish cross, and we're going to absolutely take off to the upside. Extremely exciting times. I have taken some profits on some of my trades just in case we see a little bit of pullback. I never close my whole trade, but I usually close 50%. If we see some pullback, I lock in the rest of my profits. I start dollar cost averaging into my trades once again. So it would be healthy, in my opinion, to see a little bit of pullback here as we are pushing up rather quickly on the RSI. but that tends to happen in an uptrend, guys. This breakout is very similar to what we saw in September. We broke out, we consolidated for one day, just as we did here, and then we started to break out. We started to push higher. Exact same thing, guys. We consolidated for one day. We're starting to push higher, guys. So that's a bullish signal as well, in my opinion. It's looking really, really good. We're seeing a lot of bullish interest right now. Look at the long positions, guys. We're seeing a beautiful increase in longs. And the short positions, we're not seeing a huge increase in shorts, which is also a bullish sign, in my opinion. Okay, now we're starting to see a push up in short positions. So keep an eye on that as well, guys. If we do see some pullback here, we get rejected by the 1.618, we could create that beautiful inverse head and shoulders, which could lead to a massive breakout. And if we get back above 44K, then we're creating an uptrend on the daily, and we're going to see our next impulsive wave to the upside. So very exciting times in the market. We broke out of this bull flag pattern, and your target is 44K, guys, for BTC. But we are very, very overbought. Look at the last time we were this overbought, guys. I'll scroll back. We were this overbought. We saw them move back down. However, guys, as you can see here, we were overbought, we consolidated, and then we pushed higher. So 44K is the major level. We get back above that, I will load the bags once again for most of my positions, as we should see a massive impulse to the upside. Bearish scenario that I don't think is likely, guys, is we get rejected, we roll over, we lose the EMAs, and we create a large double bottom where we get rejected, we roll, we lose the 20. I don't think that's the likely scenario. It's looking really, really strong in my opinion. We're starting to get back above the 55, which is a massive sign of strength for our friend BTC. So we'll finish off the video for Matic. If we can get back above the EMAs, we have the bullish cross, huge sign of a pump, guys. Daily MACD, bullish cross on the MACD, sign of a pump. So we're going to pop back over to the daily time frame. We're going to pop back over to the 4-hour time frame. So we're starting to push above our break even, guys, at 196. 4 entries with our dollar cost average strategy. If we push up to 215, I will take a 50% exit. And then my break even will be my entry price. If we come back down, I break even on the rest of my trade. I re-enter my trade. I start dollar cost average. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings the average price down halfway each time. And then if you're low leverage trading, you have to double your margins. So spot trading, equal amounts, 500, 500, 500. Low leverage, 500, 500, 1,000. 2,000. You have to do that if you're leverage trading to bring your average price down properly. But when it comes down to the third and the fourth buy zone, it actually brings your average price down more than halfway. So you bounce into profits much quicker, guys. Perfect strategy for anyone who is working, who has a family, responsibilities, or doesn't want to stare at charts all day. We are quite overbought on the 4-hour time frame. Do keep an eye on that, guys. Usually that will signal consolidation or a little bit of a move back down, which is perfectly okay for our friend Matic. Maybe what we'll do is we'll come up, we'll hit resistance, we'll roll over, and we'll create a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, beautiful big head here, and your right shoulder, guys. So do keep an eye on that as well. Possible scenario for our friend Matic. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. I also post the DCA trades as well as daily buy and take profit zones. If you want a dollar cost average into your positions, buy zones, take profit based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, guys. And 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee, $350 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can follow me on IG. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And I will see you in the next video. All right, peace. Much love. Take care.